Update Tuesday evening, as promised. Yeah, it was an eventful day. Um, the FBI actually located Mercedes, as I understand. Um, she is in a homeless shelter, and yeah, she doesn't want to come back here, of course, after all this. Um, which I was pretty sure of a couple days ago, anyway. Um, nice crunch. So she has, on her own admission, left here on her own validity with no violence, threats, anything to be afraid of, and is in a homeless shelter with her child. Has left a stable, loving environment, supportive environment, and school and everything else, which is a huge, huge problem for her because she has been located and hiding from the criminal activities that she caused here. Stalking and threatening my customers in particular. Um, so the last I know of is she was resisting being evaluated, which at this point uh, they will evaluate her and probably take away Bellamy and put her into a hospital. That's usually the way it works. As far as that goes, now that I know she's alive and well, and she still has her wonderful attitude. I've come to the decision already that I was part of Mercedes's um, delusion in the first place. Um, she brought 7-year-old 10,000 miles, married me, and went insane 4 days later. Started telling her I was the real dad, had abandoned them, was cheating on her all the time, which none of which was true. Um, Now I don't know if she's come out of her tissy enough to understand what she's done. I don't really care. I've blocked her on all avenues of contact. This door is closed. Um, as of the 26th, it will have never happened. And I am pressing tort charges on her, her family. The police obviously broke the law several different times in protecting her from nothing. And I still don't give a fuck where she is. I don't know where she is, and I don't want to know. All I want to know is she has been properly assessed and the proper steps have been taken. Um, and that's all I've got for left for that lady. Um, she can go the fuck home and have a nice life. I hope she gets the treatment she wants. I know after she gets whatever treatment here, she will be receiving help in New Zealand too. I've ensured that her Department of Social Services in New Zealand knows exactly what the hell has been going on over here with what she has been doing, stalking, and just it doesn't seem to stop with this lady. So I'm going to ensure that it stops.